Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natalia Armoni, and I'm here today showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. This video was highly requested, okay? Every time I put out a hair review, you guys are like, no sis, we want to see the makeup, sis. We want to see how you put that makeup on. So I decided to finally film this video for you all. I know you guys been waiting. Like I said, this is my everyday makeup routine. So these are my products that I always reach for when I'm on the go, when I'm just trying to look cute really quick and just want to throw on some makeup real quick. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we're about to get started doing our makeup. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. As you all know, or you should know, YouTubers don't like doing their eyebrows on camera, okay? Because it's so annoying and take up too much time. And girl, I'm just gonna come out with a separate eyebrow video for you guys, okay? Now I'm gonna moisturize my face before I put on my foundation. And I always use this moisturizer. It's the Pond's moisturizer. Your girl has dry skin, okay? And this moisturizer is really good, and I love that it's so smooth. Like, at least my skin's so freaking soft, and I really like how it applies with my foundation as well. I know this is an everyday makeup routine, and every day I do use a full coverage foundation. I am a full coverage queen. I don't do the medium coverage. I like full coverage. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in 420. I love this foundation. Like, I literally been using this foundation every day since I got it. Like, honestly, I used to use this one, the NARS one, but I don't think it's my shade right now. It's a little too light at the moment. We put that one on pause, but I do really like that one. But I think I like this one better. And I know you guys know she came out with a new foundation, and it's the hydrating foundation, and I'm actually probably gonna go out and get my hands on that today. Like I said, my skin is freaking dry, but I love this foundation so much that I just still use it, even though it does make my skin, like, it's a matte foundation. So let's just say that, like, it's a matte foundation, and I typically use dewy foundations and hydrating foundations because my skin is dry. But this one, like, I don't know, like, I really don't mind it that much. Like, it doesn't make my skin like dry, but I mean, I don't know, like, I'm gonna try out the hydrating one, and I might just like that one better. And of course, I'm going to do a video on me trying it out. I think I'm going to do a full face using Fenty Beauty video, because I have like all the stuff, the concealer, powder, all that stuff. So be on the lookout for that. Okay guys, so for concealer, I've really been loving these two, the Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch, and it's the Juvia's Place concealer in 13. I'm really running low on this one, like so low that I'm like scraping. Normally this is my go-to, so, but I just recently been using this one. So I think I'm going to use this one today, because like I said, this is normally my go-to. And I just mainly focus it right under the eye, like that. Put some on my lip, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, of course. I put a little on my chin, because I really don't like a highlighted chin. Like, I really don't fuck with it. But I still just put some right there, just a tad. Now I'm going to cream contour. Yes, I do cream contour for every day, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F16, and I just drag it on my cheekbones. I don't take it down too far. My front was kind of sitting a little low today, so I don't think I'm gonna put some on my forehead. So we're just gonna go ahead and contour the cheeks. And now I'm going to blend out using, actually no, I want to use my Real Technique setting brush, because I really love using this to blend out. I haven't used it in a while, but we're gonna use it today. And I just pat the product in like so. And remember, I said we want to just focus it all right here under the eye. I really don't drag it up that much. I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and just kind of like blend it out. And then I take my beauty blender and just blend it out even more. Y'all, I did my nose contour a little crooked and you can freaking see it. Like, that's crazy. Like, my nose looks like it's going to the side. Let me go ahead and fix it. Okay, now so I'm gonna take my Real Techniques contour brush, and what I like to do is just push the cream product up. Do not go down because your face is gonna look droopy. No, you want to push the product up. And I also smile when I do this because I just want to accentuate my cheekbones. And yeah, so I smile, make sure that I'm not going below like this line right here. That's what I do. So I'm gonna be like a little extra. I normally don't do this on every day, but I am gonna go out after this, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Juvia's Place number 13 concealer right under my eye, and then I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. And I love this concealer too because it's like it just blends out so seamless and like effortlessly. Like, you don't even need a lot at all. It just blends out so freaking good. So to set everything in place, I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup. This is my all-time favorite powder ever in life. It looks so freaking good on every skin tone. Love it. So I'm just gonna take my damp beauty blender and pat it in, dust it off a little bit, and go directly under my eye. And I pat the powder in. I'm also gonna set my eyelid with this. So I'm going to use this matte face compact. It has like a contour, blush, and highlight. Like, this is my like go-to whenever I just want to hurry up and I'm in a rush to just throw something on. So we're going to use the contour, and I'm using my Real Techniques multitasking brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and sweep that. I'm also going to sweep that underneath on my jawline. I'm going to take my Morphe E62 brush, and I like to use this to contour my nose with the same contour powder that we used on our cheeks. Okay, no snatch. Yes, okay. Now I'm going to go in with the blush, and I'm using my Morphe E4 brush. Is this E4? Yes, E4. And I'm gonna dust it right on my cheeks. This blush has like a little shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys can tell. Now we're gonna take a little break from the face really quick and go straight into the eyes. I really don't do that much with the eyes for every day, but I am gonna take my Juvia's Place Vol.II palette and just use a M441 brush, and I'm gonna take this brown shade right here, and I'm just gonna dust it all over the lid, just for like a little flash of color. And you don't have to be too precise with this. I literally just dust it, and then I kind of like drag it out at the end. Now I'm going to take this pigment from JLarue. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is their lemonade pigment, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corners. It's so freaking pretty. I love this pigment, glitter pigment, so just be careful. I always just tap it. Wait, let me go ahead and wet my brush. I'm just going to tap it right here. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put on lashes and liner off camera. And for the liner, if you guys want to know, this is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio gel liner in white. Okay, so moving on to finish the face, I am going to throw on a little bit more blush because I just love blush so much. And this is the Juvia's Place Blush Volume 2. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix these two, like the orangey and like pink color together, and just dust it on my cheekbones. I love their blush palette, like, oh my goodness. So now we're going to set our face with setting spray, and normally I go in with the Morphe Continuous Mist setting spray, but I actually ran out, so I'm just going to go ahead with the NYX Dewy Finishing Spray and just spray my face. And I honestly feel like this is my favorite part of the whole makeup routine, because that powder, girl, it just makes your face feel so freaking dry, especially if you already have dry skin. So I just love that mist, and just and then I just go ahead and pat it into my skin, just to blend, like I said, all those powders in together. And now while the face is still a little damp, I'm going back in with that MAC compact, and I'm going to use the M501 brush, and I'm just going to dust this highlight on. This is like my favorite highlight of all time. Like, just look at it. And I really just focus it on my cheeks. I don't really, you know, I mean, I take it up here, but I really just focus it on my cheeks, because as you can see, when you see me smile, you can see that fire. And then of course we're going to hit the nose a little bit on the bridge of the nose, top of my brow, and my cupid as well. Do y'all ever have that one side where y'all feel like y'all highlight is just popping, and then you have that other side where it's like, what's going on? It's always this side. Like, sis, get it together. So now we're gonna move on to lips. And I recently just picked up these 3 brown lip liners from my beauty supply store, so I really don't know which one I want to use today. I had some lip oil on my lips, so I don't know which one I want to use today. I got, and this is from NK Makeup, I got coffee, cocoa, and brown. Let me see how coffee. Okay, not too bad for a little beauty supply lip liner, and I think it was only like $1. I honestly just picked up a random nude, and this is NYX. That's one thing that I feel like I be slacking in, is the lip combos. Like, I need to get it together. Top it off with this lip gloss. So the gloss made it look like something, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair up, get real cute, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed this everyday makeup routine. All the products that I use will be listed down below, so don't forget to go check out the description box. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Welcome to the fam. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I upload the next video. And yeah, I just want to say I love you all, and I appreciate you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video.